to meet you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You're from
Spain.
Spain.
Yeah.
Hola, señor.
Hola. Encantado.
Thank you.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Mauro from Italy.
Italy, yes. Italy. Benvenuto.
Part of our team. Part of our team.
Ini siapa? Mario Aji. Dari mana asalmu, Mario? Magetan. Kamu dari mana? Yogyakarta. Wow. You apa? Moto2.
Lolos Moto2.
Oh yeah, really? And you?
Ya, di Junior GP.
Oh, Junior GP.
Young talent. Are coming.
How old are you now?
32.
And you?
53. I'm quite old.
You 17.
21.
21. You? 16. Wow. Please.
And you?
Sorry.
And another sprint race. Yeah, it's very short, and then Sunday the main race. Main event.
Race starts at 3.
Normally it's at 2 o'clock, but we're 1 hour.
No, yeah.
Yeah, we have the journalists and some important meet and greets.
My father in charge was construction, working in the construction.
So he works now?
No.